Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about probability and we're going to be talking about permutations. So a permutation is when order is really, really important. So let's say you're lining up students and you have 15 students to pick from. Well, you pick one student, so now there's only 14 to pick from. And you can't stand in line in two places. So that's kind of like what a permutation is. So I have a small definition up top that will remain up top for the entirety of the video. And you can also write permutations in this format that we have right here. So the probability of 8 comma 4. So you automatically are going to know this is a permutation problem if there is no prior information. You can actually complete these problems without knowing what you're trying to find the combination for. So what this really means is you're going to be starting at the number 8 and multiplying 4 numbers down. So if you look at the example, I'm going to start with 8. If I picked one item, I now have 7, and then 6, and then 5. So you are multiplying 4 numbers together. You do not go to the number 4. So once you multiply all that together, you're going to get your answer that way. So let's try a couple examples and try to make some more sense of it. So the first example here, we're going to be using this example here, and we're also going to be using it over here. So you are picking 12 burrito toppings. So let's say you're at, I don't know, Qdoba or Chipotle or maybe the mom and pop shop, who knows? And you're trying to build a burrito and there's 12 ingredients you could pick from. You're only picking 3 and you want them in a certain order. So how many ingredients can you pick? Well, there's 12 to start from. So I'm going to start at 12. Well, if I picked one ingredient, I can't pick it again. So subtract 1. I picked another ingredient. I can't pick it again. So now I only have 10 options to pick from. So off screen, I'm going to be using my calculator. 12 times 11 times 10, and I get 1,320 different ways I can put toppings on my burrito. Kind of cool. Let's try the ones where there's no prior information. So I have this probability of 12 comma 3. So I'm going to start at the number 12, and then I'm going to multiply. Well, one number less than 12 is 11. Take another one away. Oh, would you look at that? It's the same problem we had in our word problem, just presented a different way. And we already know this answer, 1,320. When it comes to units, you can put ways, outcomes, possibilities. I like the word ways. Short and sweet. Let's look at the next problem. We have probability of 10 comma 2. I start at the number 10, and I'm multiplying it by one more number because 10 counts as a number. So 10 times 9 is all I have to do. So my answer is 90 ways. And the last one, probability 6 comma 6. So I start at the number 6, go one number down. So I have 2 numbers. Go one number down, 3 numbers, one number down, 4 numbers, one more number down, 5, and then 6. So I'm going to be doing this long calculation. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And I'm going to get 720 ways. Now we're going to go back to that burrito problem because you are going to be asked questions of what's the probability of getting these 3 things or this many things in this certain order. So what is the probability that you pick cheese, lettuce, and guacamole for your burrito in that order? Well, I know that I can pick 1,320 different ways. So all I have to do, and I really can only have this one time, 1 over your permutation answer of 1,320. That is going to be your probability for that situation. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend who you think could benefit from this tutorial. Bye guys.